Welcome to CR Tutorial of Chemistry. This is your CR sir. Today we are going to discuss about the organic chemistry of second year intermediate. In the first year we discussed in organic chemistry up to arenes, means only we studied about only the hydrocarbons. What are the hydrocarbons? We know that the compound which contain only carbon and hydrogens are called hydrocarbons. So after the completion of first year, in the second year we are starting the organic compounds. What is the meaning of organic compounds? The compound which contain carbon and hydrogen, including with other heteroatoms like that halogens, oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen. So these compounds are all considered as organic compounds. Which compounds are called organic compound? In hydrocarbon, is there any heteroatom like that of nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur and halogen atoms? These type of compounds are called organic compounds. So in the second year, we are going to discuss about second year syllabus about only the hetero atom containing organic compounds, or we are going to discuss about the organic compound. Organic compound means they must and should contain at least one type of heteroatom like that maybe halogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. So the first one, let us discuss about only the second year topic, haloalkanes. Haloalkanes and haloarenes. Haloarenes. Haloalkanes and haloarenes. Already we know that the definition of hydrocarbons, the compound which contain only the carbon and hydrogen atoms are called hydrocarbons. Including with the carbon and hydrogens, is there any heteroatoms are there? Those compounds are called as organic compounds. The first one, in organic compound, first one is the haloalkanes and haloarenes. Yes, what is the definition of haloalkanes? At least one hydrogen is replaced by the halogen atom replaced by the halogen atom in hydrocarbons. Suppose example, you consider as it is a RH. We consider it is alkane. In this alkane, one hydrogen atom, this hydrogen atom, is replaced by the halogen atom. So means here we are writing plus X. X means here halogen atom and a minus hydrogen. So there we get the RX. So here it is alkane. It is haloalkane. Haloalkane. You consider different, you can write different like this also. RCH2H. You consider it is an alkane. Same like that only you write plus X. Here minus H. Then we can write here RCH2X. Here it is also haloalkane. So only writing the hydrogen with R means here R is the organic group or hydrocarbon group. So we are just isolating one carbon from the R. Then we get the, here also it is called as a haloalkane. Yes, same like this only the hydrocarbons, other compounds are also there, hydrocarbons. Those are arenes, we know that benzene, naphthalene, and anthracene. Next, the other one is also there, cycloalkanes. So these are all hydrocarbons. Means here they contain only carbon and hydrogens. So that's why those are called as a hydrocarbons. Those are maybe open ring compounds or maybe cyclic compounds. Here the other one is, suppose we can take the benzene. It is an aromatic compound. We know that we studied in the first year. Here this hydrogen is replaced by the halogen. Okay. Then we get the haloarine. Already we know that the benzene ring. Here this hydrogen is replaced by the halogen. Then here Xe means what here? Xe is equal. Those are maybe F or chlorine or bromine, iodine. Means here X is the halogen atom. Means the halogen atom replacing one hydrogen from the hydrocarbons. Those hydrocarbons may be open chain compounds like that of alkanes or maybe alkenes, and the cyclic compounds like this are benzene, naphthalene and anthracene like that of aromatic compounds. So, are you understand this one? Haloalkanes and haloarenes. These are the compounds which are formed by the removal of one hydrogen from the aliphatic hydrocarbon or maybe aromatic hydrocarbon, are called haloalkanes or haloarenes. This one is haloarene. Are you understand the definition? What are haloalkanes or haloarenes? As halogen atoms. Means here you have to completely imagine yourself or define yourself. Which one is the haloalkane? Which one is the haloarene? These are the organic compounds. These are the organic compounds which are formed by the removal of one hydrogen atom by the halogen atom. Removal of one hydrogen atom by the halogen atom. Those are maybe formed from the open chain compound like that of alkanes and alkenes. Those are called as haloalkane, and if those are formed from the arenes, it is called as a haloarene. So this is the definition of alcohol, haloalkanes and haloarenes. Next we are going to discuss about the classification of haloalkanes. Classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Yes, the classification is many types of there. One is the based on number of on the basis of, we take like this one, on the basis of number of halogen atoms. Number of halogen atoms. Are you following this one? Means these classification based on or depend upon only the number of halogen atoms. So here, based on the number of halogen atoms, haloalkanes are classified into mono, di, tri, haloalkanes are haloarenes. Means the organic compound, the haloalkane or haloarene contain only one halogen atom. Means in those compounds only one halogen atom is replacing one hydrogen from the carbon. So that's why that type of compounds are called as a mono haloalkanes or mono haloarenes. Suppose it contains two halogen atoms, so that is a dihalo compounds. If it is contain three halogen atoms, it is called as a trihalo compounds. Okay, if it is more than two, those are called as a polyhalogen compounds. Those are called as a polyhalogen compound. Suppose example I am writing here, one example here. So here I am CH2 CH3 and CH2Cl. This is the monohalogen compound only. CH2Cl and CH2Cl. We can write X is also. Means X means what? Chlorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, whatever it may be. So next, the other one is I am writing CH. Okay, CH2Cl, CH2, CHCl only, CH2Cl. So it is, what is the name of this compound according to the number of halogen atoms? Monohalogen compound. Monohalogen compound. Monohalogen compound. This one is the dihalogen compound. This one is the trihalogen compound. Trihalogen compound. Same like this we can write the halines also. These are only open chain compounds, so that's why these are also called haloalkanes. We can write the halohalines same like that. Suppose only one halogen atom is there, like this X I am writing. So this is monohaloarene. If it is contain two halogen atoms, like this X and X, dihaloarene. If it is contain three halogen atoms, suppose X, like this, another X is there, means three halogen atoms are there. So this is called as a trihaloarenes. We can write the name of this compound as a monohaloalkane, dihaloalkane, trihaloalkane, or commonly we can write as a monohalogen compound, dihalogen compound, a trihalogen compound. So like that, monohaloarene, dihaloarene, and trihaloarene. So this is the classification of the number of halogen atoms present in the organic compound or haloalkane or haloarene. So commonly, overall commonly, those are called as a halogen compounds. Which compounds these are? Halogen compounds. Halogen compounds may be haloalkanes or maybe haloarenes. So this is based on the number of halogen atoms. Next, same like this, the other type of a classification is also there. We are going to discuss about only the monohalogen compounds or monohaloarenes. So, on the basis of the halogen or only one halogen is present, those are called as the monohalogen compounds. Based on the halogen attached carbon, so those are classified into many types. Suppose example, the monohalogen compounds yes, here the next we are going to discuss about the classification of only monohalogen compounds mainly, because we are going to discuss about the chemical reaction for only monohalogen compounds. So that's why we are going to further classification for only monohalogen compounds. So these monohalogen compounds further classified into many types based on the halogen attached carbon in those compounds. The compound containing, first one is the compound containing sp3CX, means here the carbon is having sp3 hybridization, sp3CX type or sp3x type bond, means here X is equal to what? X is equal to same like that, chlorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So this is a one type of classification. Means here the halogen atom which is attached directly sp3 carbon. So these are compounds further classified into three types. One is the alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. Alkyl halides means what? These are the compounds in which the halogen atom which is attached to the sp3 carbon only. Yes, in this type of compounds are called as a, how we can define the alkyl halides are haloalkenes here. So means here only we are going to discuss about the monohalogen compounds. Don't cover dihalogen and trihalogen compounds. So these are the compounds in which the halogen atom is attached directly to the sp3 carbon. So those type of compounds are called as a alkyl halides. Suppose example we can write here CH3 CH2X, or we can directly you can write here it is a chlorine. Right, okay. Next we can write another type of structure also. Here it is CH3 Cl it is. Other type of we can write like this also CH3 and Cl. Here these halogen atom or chlorine atom which is attached to which carbon here? sp3. Here the halogen atom is also attached to the sp3 carbon. Here it is also attached to the which carbon it is? sp3 carbon only. In these three type of compounds containing the halogen atom which is attached to the only sp3 carbon atom. Already I told you, if any carbon which is attached by the four other groups, or the carbon which is attached by the four single bonds, or the carbon which is attached by the four single bond with the other groups or maybe other atom is called as a sp3 carbon. Right, okay. But here in this compound the halogen atom which is attached to the sp3 carbon only, but this carbon which is attached to another only one carbon. So that's why it is called as a primary alkyl halide. So this is called primary alkyl halide. Here the halogen atom which is attached to the sp3 carbon only, but this sp3 carbon which is attached to further other two carbons. So that's why it is called as a secondary alkyl halide. Secondary alkyl halide. Here as given here the halogen atom which is attached to sp3 carbon only, but this sp3 carbon is attached by the other three carbons. So that's why which type of carbon it is? If it is attached by only one carbon, it is primary alkyl halide. If it is attached by the other two carbons, it is secondary alkyl halide. If this carbon is attached by the three other carbons, it is called tertiary carbon. So that's why if the halogen is directly attached to the primary carbon, it is called as a primary alkyl halides. Further classification of alkyl halides. If the halogen atom is directly attached to the secondary carbon, so it is called as a secondary alkyl halide. If the halogen atom is which is directly attached to the tertiary carbon, it is called as a tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide. So this is the further classification of alkyl halides. Okay, next here the second one I am going to discuss. Which one it is? Allyl halides. Here it is alkyl halide. In this compound, the halogen atom is directly attached to sp3 carbon only. But here In allyl halide also same like that. The halogen atom is attached to sp3 carbon, but that carbon next attached to the carbon-carbon double bond. So that's why those type of alkyl halogen compounds are called allyl halides. As we can give the definition like this: these are the compounds in which the halogen atom is directly attached to the sp3 carbon. That carbon next attached to the which carbon it is? Carbon-carbon double bond. So that type of alkyl halides or halogen compounds are called allyl halides. Suppose example I am writing here. So this is CH2 double bond CH2 and CH2 double bond CH and CH2 Cl. So another one I am writing the cyclic compound also, but it is not aromatic. So here is also carbon-carbon double bond only, but here it is CH2 and Cl. See here this, already we know that chlorine means halogen atom which is attached to which carbon? sp3 only. These sp3 carbon further attached to carbon-carbon double bond. Here it is this halogen atom attached to sp3 carbon. These sp3 carbon next attached to the which carbon? Carbon-carbon double bond only. So that's why these type of compounds are called as allyl halides. Allyl halides. So this one is commonly it is called as allyl chloride. Allyl chloride. Allyl halide. This one is also called as a allyl halide. Right? Okay. So commonly you people have to remember, whatever it may be the halogen is attached to sp3 carbon, that sp3 carbon next attached to the carbon-carbon double bond is called as a allyl halides. So next further I am going to discuss about this one. Third one, it is benzylic halides or benzylic halides. What are the benzylic halides? These are the compounds in which the halogen atom is attached to directly sp3 carbon. That halogen atom attached carbon further next attached to which carbon? Aromatic ring. So these type of compounds are called, halogen compounds are called benzylic halides. So that is, which one it is? I am writing, okay, benzyl ring I am writing. Further it is CH2 Cl. Right, okay. So this is halogen atom which is attached to sp3 carbon. The sp3 carbon next attached to the aromatic carbon. So it is called as a benzylic chloride. Benzylic chloride means benzylic halide. Chloride, benzylic chloride. Okay. So this is the classification of compounds containing sp3 carbon X bond. So further we are going to discuss about the another type of classification. So that is the halogen atom which is attached to which type of compound? Compound containing sp3 carbon X it is. The next one is the compound containing sp2CH bond. Okay. Classification is compound containing which one? sp2 carbon X bond. Yes, here also the halogen X means what? Halogen atoms like that only. So halogen X is equal to what? Maybe chlorine, bromine, iodine. Here in these compounds further classified into two types. Okay, so those are, one is the vinyl halides, and second one is the aryl halides. Right. What is a vinyl halides? These are the compounds in which the halogen atom is directly attached to the carbon-carbon double bond are called vinyl halides. Which type of compound? Suppose example I am writing here CH2 double bond CH. Okay, so it is X. So it is called as a vinyl halide commonly. Suppose specifically if you write a CH2 double bond CH2Cl, so you can write, if it is vinyl halide, what is the name of this compound? Vinyl chloride. Right, okay. Yes, what are the aryl halides? These are the compounds in which the halogen atom is directly attached to the sp2 carbon in the aromatic ring. As here in this vinyl halides, the halogen atom is directly attached to the sp2 carbon of double bond. Here in this aryl halides, the halogen atom is directly attached to the sp2 carbon of aromatic ring are called aryl halides. Right, okay. What is the example we can give here? Directly we can write like this. It is benzene, you write. Okay, you people have to practice the proper writing of benzene like this. So here it is X, and specifically I am writing the another benzene here also. Specifically I am writing the chlorine. Here it is benzene ring. Yes, I am writing the name of this compound. Which one it is? Haloarine. Or it is also called as a commonly aryl halide. What is the name of this compound? Chlorobenzene. Means it is having here it is aryl or phenyl chloride. So this is the classification of halogen compounds. Okay, those are maybe haloalkanes and haloarenes. So these are formed by the which one? It is a replacement of one hydrogen from the hydrocarbons. Those hydrocarbons may be alkenes or maybe arenes. Those are called haloalkenes and haloarenes. The classification based on the number of halogen atoms. So those are monohalogen compound, dihalogen compound and trihalogen compound. If it is more than 3, those are also called as a polyhalogen compounds. Okay, so the polyhalogen compounds are removed from the syllabus in this academic year. Right, okay, next the classification of only monohalogen compound, because we are going to discuss about only the monohalogen compound in this lesson. So that's why here these monohalogen compounds further classified into two types. One is a compounds containing sp3CX bond, and the second one, okay, here it is we put as a Roman number, here it is 2. So the compound containing sp3CX bond, the compound containing sp2CX bond, right here. So means here the halogen atom is directly sp3 carbon. So further these compounds classified into how many types? 3 types. One is alkyl halides, okay, allyl halides, and benzylic halides or benzyl halides. Those are also called as what are the alkyl halides here? The halogen atom, these are the compounds in which the halogen atom directly attached to the sp3 carbon. Those are called as alkyl halides. These alkyl halides means the nature of carbon. The nature of carbon, these alkyl halides are further classified into 3 types. If the halogen atom is attached to the primary carbon, so those are called primary alkyl halides. If the halogen atom directly attached to the secondary carbon, it is a secondary alkyl halides. If the halogen atom is directly attached to the tertiary carbon, so those are called as tertiary alkyl halides. Yes, in this type of compounds only, but the halogen atom, these are the compounds in which the halogen atom is directly attached to the sp3 carbon only. But that sp3 carbon next to attach to the carbon-carbon double bond, so those type of compounds are called allyl halides. Okay, right? The benzylic or benzyl halides. Here also these halogen atom is directly attached to the sp3 carbon only, but that sp3 carbon next attached to the aromatic ring, so those are called as a benzyl halides or benzylic halides. The further classification, compounds containing sp3 sp2 CX bond, so those are classified into, means in these type of compounds the halogen atom is directly attached to which carbon? sp2 hybridized carbon. So here vinyl halides, what is that? As these are the compounds in which halogen atom is directly attached to the sp2 carbon, okay, sp2 carbon of carbon carbon double bond. So what is a, so those are called as a vinyl halides. So vinyl halide commonly, so it is a vinyl chloride. If it is bromide, it is a vinyl bromide. If it is, okay, iodide, if it is vinyl iodide only. So the second one is according to, belongs to this one only. So this aryl halides. The halogen atom is directly attached to which carbon? Here it is sp2 only. Here also it is sp2 only. But this sp2 carbon which belongs to which group it is? It belongs to directly aromatic ring only. So that's why that type of compounds are called as aryl halides. You can define like this. So you people put like this. Which one it is? These are the compounds in which, these are the compounds in which the halogen atom is directly attached to the sp2 carbon of aromatic ring or called aryl halides. So vinyl halides, these are the compounds in which the halogen atom is directly attached to the sp2 carbon of carbon carbon double bond are called vinyl halides. Here also same. These are the compounds in which halogen atom is directly attached to the sp3 carbon. Those are alkyl halides. These are the compounds in which, okay, these are the compounds in which the halogen atom is directly attached to the sp3 carbon. That carbon next attached to the carbon carbon double bond, that is allyl halides. If the halogen atom attached to sp3 carbon, that sp3 carbon further attached to the benzene ring, it is called as a benzyl halide. So like this you people have to classify. Okay. Right, thank you. So this is the classification of haloalkane and halohalides. This is only for the second year students. But here we don't have this polyhalo compounds. Here it is a trihaloarenes, dihaloarenes are there. Okay, right. Thank you. We are going to next discuss about the nomenclature of alkyl halides or haloalkanes and haloarenes. Thank you.